So I have the Gucci bronzing powder. So this is actually my first time opening this bronzer, and this is it. This is the Gucci bronzer number 5. So this is the darkest shade they have in the bronzer, and it's like a dark reddish brown. This is the brush that it comes with. So the first thing I like to contour is my nose. So what I do, I use an angled brush, and the taller side, I get the product on that side, and then I just do like 2 lines, the edge of my nose, like this. And I do take time to blend it in. So I don't know if you can see a difference between the contour side and the non-contour side already. But I will say I love this bronzer. And I like that you can use it for different things. You can use it just as a bronzer to darken certain parts of your face. And you can use it to contour your nose, your cheeks, your jawline. And you can use it as an eyeshadow. So I just add this like under my cheeks. It adds definition and more shape to my face. This pressed powder is scented. And it smells just like the Gucci Flora perfume. To me, the foundation had like a sweeter scent to it. This has more of a floral scent. It smells so good. And it comes like with this mirror. I don't know if you can see the mirror. In the storage area underneath, when you push the mirror all the way back, you can put this brush back inside of here. Yeah, so this how I contour my face.